Let us learn how to install WordPress online. You have your browser here, and in the address bar you're going to type the domain name that you are given by your hosting provider. My domain name is creativeschool.tk. I will add a / and type cPanel. Then you press enter. This brings you to a screen that will ask for your username and password. These details were given to you by your host. So my username is creative, and then the password I'll type in that field and then click log in. And it will show me that the login was successful and it is redirecting inside cPanel. There are many things we can do inside cPanel. It's well divided into sections. So, but at the bottom, we have what we call Softaculous Apps Installer. There are many options, but in this case, in this lesson, we are interested in WordPress. So you will click WordPress. Then on the next screen that will load in less than a minute, you'll find Install Now. So here you'll click Install Now, and where it asks you to choose the version of WordPress that you want to install. Of course, there are many versions, but I suggest that we use the latest version, which is in this case 5.5.3. Then under Choose Installation URL, here, under the protocol, we have 4 options. Let us choose HTTPS, which is a standard these days, and you leave your domain name as is, and then remove WP in directory field. Under site settings, you'll have to put your site name. My site name is Creative School of Uganda, and then it could be, if it's a school, St. Peter's SSS in Zambia, King's College Budo, Trinity College Nabingo, and whatever you choose. Then the site description is usually your business slogan. If it is a school, it is a motto. So I'll put something like Creative Minds for a Creative Generation. So that's my motto. Then under admin account, we need an admin username. In my case, I leave it as admin. And then for password, I'll put my own. I will leave the admin email as admin@creativeschool.tk. Then I'll continue down where I'll find install. So I'll click install. This takes less than a minute. Let's wait, 1, 2, 3. And there you go. So it shows you that congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Let's click on another tab and see what it looks like. So I'll type creativeschool.tk and press enter. And my WordPress site, that is my first WordPress site. So in our next lessons, we are going to look at how to customize it and get the look and feel of what we really want. Thank you.